Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to update the prices of your items in Roblox? Today I am going to show you how to change price in your Roblox shop. Let's go step by step. First of all, open Roblox and sign in to your account. Tap Create at the top of the page. Tap Creations and choose the item you want to update. Now, click on the three dot icon and choose Open in New tab. In the New tab, click the three dot icon again and select Configure. Scroll down and change your price. Save the changes and you are done. Your item's price has been successfully updated. Now, sit back and watch your sales grow. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.